What's good, YouTube? It's somebody boy back with another video, and I just recorded a story time, right? The story time ain't go right because I was talking too slow. I kept like pausing. I don't know why I kept doing that, but I thought of another video. So when I was in Florida, this was July, I think, or June, one of them. Might have been the end of June. I bought these blood capsules that you put in your mouth and they like dissolve, and then it really looks like blood. And I was thinking about acting like I'm coughing and then have those in my mouth, and then it looks like I'm coughing on blood. Yeah, I'm stretching out my thigh. Okay, look how I'm standing. This is how I'm standing. That looks weird. Anyway, I bought these blood capsules. You put in your mouth, they dissolve, and it looks just like blood. When I bought them when I was in Daytona, and they're about to go, so I gotta get them before they go. So I'm finna set the camera up. I gotta take these out. I got Invisalign, by the way. Okay, we're good. I'm about to try. Hold on. It's like a pill. So it's like a pill, but it dissolves. But that's what all pills do, like capsules. But I don't want to do that because these jugs are nasty. So I think I'm gonna try to open them. So hold on. Mom, huh? Come here. Where? Come here. What are you doing? I'm coughing up blood. You coughing up blood? Yeah. Holy shit. What are your mouth was? Yeah, my mouth. Come from your gums? No. Open your mouth.
Are you serious?
Open your mouth. Pull your head up.
That looks like red shit.
And this is exactly why I don't pull pranks on her, because she figures every single thing out every time. She never falls for anything because I always used to prank her.
Stick your tongue out. What do you mean by that? Stick your tongue out. You got the mouth in it?
You haven't eaten nothing red?
Pull your head up. I'm trying to see your gum.
That's my mouth.
Hi! Girl, you put some in your mouth.
Have you got a red pit or anything in your mouth?
No.
Okay.
How long you had that mouthpiece up?
I took it out because I was drinking something.
What you were drinking? My lemonade.
What color is it?
Yellow.
I mean, you literally look like you got red dye in your mouth. I've never seen blood do that. You ready?
Yeah, like red dye. Like you're drinking some red or something.
No, we don't got none red.
Let me hold your flashlight.
I'm just kidding.
See, I know you're full of shit. I know you're full of shit. I know blood and I know different. What'd you do? He said,
Bring it.
I got these little things.
you can't fool me. I knew that was blood, dumbass. Don't try to play me.
Yeah. To all you people out there, suck my.
Hey, hold on, my teeth's red. So, y'all see, I had to make up some lies. I said I took my Invisalign out to drink something. But I was lying, obviously. So, now my lips red. I gotta go brush my teeth, you already know what about. Then I gotta put the Invisalign back in. But if you enjoyed this video, want some more pranks, let me know. Something down below. And look, I've been telling people this. My mama don't fall for nothing. Y'all heard everything she said. She knew all along, the whole time. So, I'm out.